Student, welcome back. Let's start with new video. Today we are going to talk about very special thing. There are so many things in the world in which we take joy, जिसमें हमें बड़ा मजा आता है. See, I like to study and I like to make videos and I like to teach student. I like to read, write, and learn something from the people. And there is a person who takes joy in collecting stamps, and there is a person who taking joy in collecting stamps, etc. So many things are there in which we take in joy. And here is one more important thing that is important to tell you. See, कि जब भी किसी चीज को हम अपने मजे के लिए करते हैं, only we want to take joy in that. See, तो उसका enjoy कुछ अपना ही होता है. And just think about that you are doing the same thing for professional purpose, but different. Considerably, they are so much different with each other. But here in this lesson, we are going to talk about such thing that is riding. See, अगर आपने राइडिंग करनी है, राइट, अपने शौक के लिए राइड करते हो क्योंकि यू आर सो मच फॉन्ड ऑफ राइडिंग, राइट? सो आई कैन इमेजिन द जॉय यू कैन टेक इन दैट. और अगर उसी चीज को आप प्रोफेशनली करते हो तो द प्रोफेशनलिज्म इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. बट हियर इन दिस लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट राइडिंग. This is the lesson, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, written by William Saroyan. This is the story about two Armenian boys who belongs to a tribe and known for honesty and trust. And here in this lessons, William Saroyan said that one day back in, when he was just the child of 9, जब सिर्फ 9 साल का था. Think about the time. उस टाइम के बारे में सोचिए कि when things become so imaginable, magnificent, energy, thrilling, the brightness, everything looks so bright. क्योंकि टाइम ही कुछ अलग तरह का होता है. Mysterious dreams were there at that time. He said that when one day I was in my bedroom, my cousin Murad, who considered crazy by everybody except me, right? He come up to me to woke me up in the morning about 4 o'clock. I looked out. It wasn't morning yet. But क्योंकि ये समर का सीजन था, so brightness was little bit visible at the corner of the world. So I could understand that I wasn't dreaming, कि मैं कोई dream नहीं कर रहा था. In the meantime, I heard the sound of Murad. He said that Aram. I was startled. I was shocked to hear all these things. So I stuck my head out of the window. से मैंने अपना वो head बाहर धकेलने की कोशिश करता है वहाँ पे, या बाहर देखने की कोशिश करता है कि what was that. I saw that Murad was on the white horse. He said that you are not dreaming. It's a white horse. It's a horse. Come if you want to ride. See here, the Murad, who was considered crazy by everybody, and this is the person who enjoyed his life more than other people of the world. He know that how much I was fond of riding. In the first place, my first memories was the memories of horse, and the first longing was to ride the horse. And this was a wonderful part. But here, in the second place, we were poor. And this was a part of our life which do not permit me to believe what I saw. Because every member of the Garoglian family live in the comical poverty of the world. We were so poor. Right? We don't have any money. इतना पैसा हमारे पास नहीं था that we could buy horse. Sometimes people used to think, कभी कभी लोग भी सोचते थे कि इनके पास क्या इतना पैसा भी है कि वो अपने पेट भर खाना खा सके. But this was the family and this was the tribe, Garoglian tribes and family known for the honesty. Once जब कभी वो rich भी हुआ करते थे, at that time also, first of all they think about all these things. ये चोरी वाली चीजों के बारे में सोचना ही छोड़ दीजिए आप. चोरी तो वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. They were known for the honesty and trust. Consequently, even though I could see the horse in front of me and it was so beautiful, it was so lovely, I could smell it, right? I asked some questions from the Murad that where have you taken it and where have you stolen this horse. But before this, I could think that how we all belongs to Garoglian family and live in the comical poverty of the world, and Murad had not that much money that he could buy the horse. And at the same time, I was thinking that the stealing a horse for the ride is not stealing like that of stealing your money, etc. until we offer this horse to sell, कि जब तक हम इसको सेल नहीं करने का ऑफर करते हैं या इसको हम बेचने की कोशिश करते हैं तो ये चोरी हो सकती है, until then तब तक ये कोई चोरी नहीं है, जैसे कि पैसे वगैरह की चोरी हो सकती है. But here Murad said that come out, leap out of the window if you want to ride, because the world is almost कि भी तब तो पूरे पूरे जो संसार वाले वो भी जागने वाले ही होंगे. I leaped into my clothes and I jumped down to the yard from the window and leaped up onto the horse behind my cousin Murad. And उन दिनों हम कहाँ रहते थे? At the edge of town on Walnut Avenue. Behind our house was the country and vineyards and orchards, irrigation ditches and the country roads. In less than 3 minutes, we were on a live avenue and then the horse began to trot. The air was new and lovely to breathe. The feel of the horse running was wonderful. My cousin Murad, who was considered one of the craziest member of our family, began to sing. I mean, he began to roar. Every family has a crazy streak in it somewhere, and my cousin Murad was considered the natural descendant of the crazy streak in our tribe. Before him was our uncle Khosrow, an enormous man with a powerful head of black hair and the largest mustache in the San Joaquin Valley, a man so furious in temper, so irritable, so impatient that he stopped anyone from talking by roaring, "It is no harm, pay no attention to it." That was all, no matter what anybody is talking about. Once, one very important and funny thing happened with him, that one day when he was trimming his mustache in the barber shop, his son come up to him to complain that his house is on fire. He said that, pay no attention to it. But barber said that your son is complaining, is telling you that your own house is on fire. He said that enough is enough. Pay no attention to it. It has no harm. My cousin Murad was considered the natural descendant of this tribe, although his father was Zorab, the very simple person. He had no such streak. Distribution of the various kind of spirit of our tribe had been from the beginning capricious and background. We rode and my cousin Murad sang. For all anybody knew, we were still in the old country where, at least according to some of our neighbors we belonged. We let the horse run as long as it felt like running. भी जितना वो दौड़ना चाहता था हमने उसको दौड़ने दिया. At last my cousin Murad said that, get down, let me ride alone. But before getting down, I asked the Murad that you will give me an opportunity to ride alone. He said that, okay, I'll give you an opportunity, but that's all up to the horse because I have a with the horse. You are still a child, abhi chote ho tum, and it will take some time to learn. He said, no, I have a way with the horse, I will manage. Okay. But when he gave that opportunity to the author, to the writer here, okay, as he started riding over the horse become wild, right? Before felling him down, this horse has already jumped over the 7 vines of the जो वो अंगूरों के बगीचे थे या जो irrigation ditches थी उसके ऊपर वो छलांगे मारते उसको गिरा दिया था and then run away. But here Murad's main concern was not writer here, not to Aram here. His main concern was to find out that horse, and they found out this horse after half hour. आधे घंटे के बाद कहीं जाके उनको वो मिलता है and finally they decided to hide this horse in a deserted, एक सुनसान खलिहान में, बान में उसको वो छुपा देते हैं and there was some dry alfalfa which they उन्होंने उसको घोड़े को खिला दिया. And very next morning, and now again and again, every morning they were doing the same thing. But whenever authors and the writers turn come to write, right, कि जब भी उसकी बारी राइड करने की जब भी उसकी बारी आती थी, okay, the same thing happened with him and he always उसको नीचे गिरा देता था. And then they had to manage all these things to find him out, and then finally they hide that horse at the same place. But after some time, they found out something about this horse. One day, Aram was in his house. Khosrow's uncle was also there in the parlor, taking coffee, tobacco, cigarette, etc. In the meantime, a new visitor, John Bairo, who is a Syrian, but out of his loneliness, he has learned to speak Armenian. उसने भाषा सीख ली थी. And later on, he complained about his missing horse. Hearing the word from John Bairo about missing the horse, he become irritated. वो irritated हो जाता है और उसको बोलता है कि इसकी ओर ध्यान मत दो. Pay no attention to it. Right? What is the loss of horse? And he said that I come from, देखिए मैं चल के आया इतने दूर से मेरी टांगों में दर्द हो गया. What are you telling about the pain and the hurt in the legs? pay no attention to it. And the later on, फिर दोबारा वो कहता है कि I bought this horse for $60. He said that I spit on the money. थूकता हूँ मैं पैसों के ऊपर, right? What are you crying over all these things? He becomes angry. John Byro becomes angry and get out of the house, with slamming the door. And afterward, I reach up to the Murad to ask that you have stolen this horse many weeks ago, and only this morning you are coming up to me to invite. Okay, he said that who told you and who said you that I have stolen this horse many weeks ago? Right? He said that this horse belongs to the John Byro. You have stolen this horse many weeks ago, and I will tell you that you will not return this horse to the John Byro until I learn to ride. Murad said that this must we go back to the real owner. But when at least 6 months, क्योंकि कम से कम 6 महीने से पहले तो नहीं जाएगा, है ना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पे ऑथर वाज अ बिट, उसको थोड़ा सा डर लग गया कि भी नहीं ये तो शायद वापस दे देगा. बट ही सेड दैट ओके, चलो ठीक है, अब तुम्हें तो पता नहीं साल भी लग जाएगा इसको सीखने के लिए, चलो कम से कम 6 महीने तक अपने पास रखते हैं. आफ्टर सम टाइम वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग हैपेंड. वंस दे वर टेकिंग द राइड ऑफ दिस ब्यूटीफुल हॉर्स एंड दे एक्सीडेंटली मेट विद जॉन बायरो. एंड जॉन बायरो को देखकर मुराद सेड दैट लेट मी टॉक विद द जॉन बायरो बिकॉज आई हैव अ वे विद फार्मर्स. John Byro said that, what is the name of this horse? They said that, my heart, what a lovely name for the lovely horse. And he was observing and watching this horse very eagerly. And he said that tooth for tooth. Actually, it looked like a twin of my horse. कि अगर मैं तुम्हारे माँ बाप को नहीं जानता ना, because they are known for the honesty, interest, and that's why I can't say कि that this is my horse. But anyway, क्योंकि जो शक्की आदमी होता है ना, वो अपने दिल के बजाय आंखों पे भरोसा ही करेगा. Okay, very next day, they let the horse in John Byro's courtyard. There was a dog. It was so furious. But Murad said that I have been with the dog. You don't worry. Anybody, he could bark anybody else, but not on us. Okay, after some days, John Byro come up to Writer's house to show his sorry and the horse. Right? He said that I don't know what to say. And this horse has become so much, bad temper था, अब वो good temper हो गया है, बड़ा अच्छा उसका स्वभाव भी हो गया. Not only that, but also, हट्टा कट्टा भी हो गया है. Khosrow uncle was also there at that day. उस दिन भी Khosrow uncle वहीं पे थे. He said that pay no attention to it. इसकी ओर कोई ध्यान मत. Dear student, that was your lesson number 1, the summer of the beautiful white horse. Right? In this lesson, you came to know that how 2 boys take the joy of riding. Although they have stolen this horse from John Byro, right? They do not consider it stealing like that of other stealings. Like दूसरी चोरी की तरह की, जैसे पैसे वगैरह चोरी करते हैं, वो इसको ऐसा चोरी नहीं मानते थे until they offer it to sell. कि जब तक इसको वो बेचने के लिए ऑफर नहीं करते तब तक ये चोरी नहीं हो सकती थी. Right? They start their early ride for many days, but Aram couldn't learn to ride. And one day, when accidentally they met with John Byro, right? And वो थोड़ा सा doubtful भी हो जाता है. And finally, they decided to return this horse because they don't want to prove themselves liar, cheater, and thief. Why? Because they were well known for their honesty and trust. And these are something here in this lessons. And one very comical character is here, Khosrow, who always roar over useless things. चाहे लोग कुछ भी बात कर रही हैं उनके ऊपर चिल्ला के उनको चुप करवा देना है. Pay no attention to it, has no harm. Right? The same comical thing. एक बड़ी ही अच्छी सी चीज हुई थी कि उसके अपने घर में आग लगी, वो बोलती है कि pay no attention to it. इससे क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है. Okay, that's it. That was your lesson number 1. Stay blessed.